Here's the Shopify and Brightpearl blueprint by Patchworks. So this blueprint is a set of pre-configured flows that will integrate your Shopify store with your Brightpearl backend. Those flows will include things like order syncs, customer data, inventory levels syncing between the systems, new products being created, new variants, stock levels, fulfillment details being sent back and forth, and then also any payment statuses that were updated as well. So this will include both Shopify B2B and B2C flows. So clicking into our documentation, you'll actually get a bit more detail on those flows. The goal of this blueprint is to be able to quickly set up those integrations between Shopify as your front end and Brightpearl as your back end, and quickly get those integrations of the data points across without you guys having to build them up from scratch. So here's listed every single flow that we have included in this blueprint, ready, set up, and tested. You can read on down to see exactly how things work, and then you can also click in further to see what are the details of each of those process flows that are included within this blueprint. So this blueprint includes things like sales order flow. So you can go in and see, right, what was that logic? What were the steps created within this flow? Zoom in a bit further to see these in a bit more detail. Go down and see any limitations, any assumptions, how to customize these flows, variables setup, and things like that. So you'll be able to get full detail of exactly what's going on inside this flow. We don't want to be a black box that you don't really know why a certain field is set a certain way. You should be able to view it in Patchworks and see exactly what's going on. And then obviously the key benefits of using these blueprints are the fact that they are pre-configured. It's faster time to go live for you guys. You don't have to build everything up from scratch again. It's all tested, so you can literally put in your credentials, go through the steps to get these blueprints installed and configured, and then start testing those flows and seeing how the data is moved across. It's fully customizable as well, so you're actually able to change mappings, change logic. If you need a field set a certain way, or logic to determine if it's going to go down this route or that route, you can actually edit these flows from basically the start the whole way through to the finish. So it's not just a little edit here and there. You can actually fully customize these exactly as you guys need them to be. And then obviously low maintenance. You're using an iPaaS, so it's fully robust. It's got retry logic baked in. It's got error handling baked in. It's got monitoring baked in. So we will make sure if anything fails, you guys get notified straight away. And then obviously we'll retry it if a certain API fails to call into another system. This was a really high level video, but we will have more detailed videos to follow.